Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best grain-free canned cat food is probably one of the most important choices you can make for your cat's health. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of grain-free canned cat food, exploring its benefits, what to look for in a quality product, and how it can contribute to your cat's overall well-being. Get ready to discover the perfect choice for your feline friend. Number 5. Purina Fancy Feast Seafood Classic Pate Variety Pack. This is Purina Fancy Feast, a delicious wet cat food. It's crafted with real, high-quality ingredients to give your cat a complete and balanced meal. This Pate cat food is grain-free, and made without artificial colors or preservatives. It's a healthy and tasty choice for your feline friend. The variety pack includes cod, sole and shrimp, savory salmon, or ocean whitefish and tuna. The protein-rich recipe creates a flavor-filled experience. Developed with expert nutritionists, this food offers a unique taste experience. The savory gravy adds to the delicious taste. This canned cat food provides 100% complete and balanced nutrition. Give your cat the best with this gourmet soft food. What we like. This cat food offers a delightful variety of flavors, ensuring your cat never gets bored. It's crafted with high-quality ingredients, providing a balanced diet. The savory gravy adds an extra layer of deliciousness. If your cat is a picky eater or you want to provide a gourmet experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The texture is exactly what Kitty seems to crave, the size is perfect to do half in the morning and half in the evening, and overall my cat seems healthy and happy. The serving sizes are small so there's not a lot of food waste, and she quite enjoys these. It's the perfect portion size for her because she's on the petite side, so she never has leftovers by the next mealtime like she would with some other wet foods I've given her. Number 4. Tiki Cat Aloha Friends Variety Pack. This Aloha Friends cat food provides complete and balanced nutrition. It's ideal for cats of all ages, ensuring they get the essential nutrients they need. The high moisture content of this wet cat food helps keep your cat hydrated. It provides supplemental water, which is essential for their health. Made with real tuna as the first ingredient, this food is packed with nutrients. Your cat will love the taste and benefit from the high-quality ingredients. This recipe includes pumpkin, offering a gentle source of fiber. It helps support your cat's digestive health. With real fish and meat, this grain-free food provides complete nutrition. It's a delicious and healthy meal for your feline friend. What we like. This cat food boasts a high moisture content, which is great for hydration. It features real tuna as the primary ingredient, ensuring a protein-rich meal. The addition of pumpkin offers a gentle source of fiber. If you're looking to boost your cat's hydration and provide a nutritious, grain-free option, this is the one. What people say. Miss Kitty loves this food. She is so excited every time she hears me shake the wet can and open it. I like the ingredients as well, they are way better than the other brands I've fed her. Number 3. Wellness Chicken Dinner Wet Cat Food. This wet cat food is grain-free and packed with protein. It's designed to meet your cat's daily nutritional needs with real protein as the primary ingredient. The recipe features real chicken, providing high-quality protein. It's also rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, ensuring complete and balanced nutrition for your cat. Served with a delicious, thick gravy, this food is sure to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. The savory gravy enhances the flavor and makes it a treat for your cat. What food helps increase your cat's moisture intake? This is an easy way to keep them hydrated and support their overall health. This cat food contains no corn, wheat, or soy. It also avoids artificial colors and preservatives, ensuring a natural and healthy meal for your pet. Created by nutritionists and veterinarians, this food is designed to nourish and sustain your pet's well-being. It provides everything your cat needs for a healthy life. What we like. This grain-free wet cat food is packed with real chicken, providing a protein-rich meal. It supports healthy hydration, which is crucial for your cat's well-being. If you are looking for a natural, protein-rich, and hydrating meal, you should consider this. What people say. He's been happily eating for over a year. Quality ingredients that keep my boy happy and healthy. We switched to wellness minced canned a decade ago and our cats are all perky, shiny-eyed, glossy with thick warm fur, and healthy. Number 2. Wellness Core Signature selects wet cat food. This canned cat food is packed with protein and rich in meaty flavor. It's also filled with nutrients to support your cat's daily needs. The first ingredient is protein. This all-natural wet food delivers what your cat craves. It features delicate flakes of tuna and salmon in a delicious broth. This recipe supports daily hydration, and we recommend serving it at room temperature. Wet food is an easy way to increase your cat's moisture intake. This helps with their daily hydration. Remember to feed it at room temperature and refrigerate any leftovers. This cat food doesn't contain any added carrageenan, wheat gluten, corn, soy, artificial colors, or preservatives. It's made with your cat's health in mind. Wellness cat food is created by nutritionists and veterinarians. It is designed to nourish and sustain your pet's well-being. This ensures your cat gets everything it needs. What we like. This cat food features delicate flakes of tuna and salmon in a delicious broth. It supports healthy hydration, and it's free from common allergens like corn, wheat, and soy. If your cat loves fish and you want to ensure a hydrating, allergy-conscious meal, you should choose this. What people say. My very picky cats love it. The consistency is always the same. One of the only foods my older cat will eat. Will purchase again. They like some of the fancy feast entrees, but I am happy to report that Wellness Core grain-free selects is disappearing from their bowls. They like it. Number 1. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Wet Cat Food, Chicken Recipe. This wet cat food from Blue Buffalo features real, high-quality chicken. It's the number 1 ingredient, ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal for your cat. This recipe is crafted with your cat's health in mind. Packed with protein and essential fatty acids, this food supports your cat's active lifestyle. It provides the energy they need to play and explore. Give your cat the fuel they need to thrive. With its high moisture content, this wet food helps your cat stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for their overall health and well-being. Keep your cat happy and healthy with every meal. This grain-free canned cat food contains no chicken byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy. It's made with healthy and wholesome ingredients. You can feel good about what you're feeding your cat. This pack includes 24 5.5 ounces cans of Blue Wilderness high-protein grain-free wet cat food. It's a convenient way to provide your cat with a nutritious and tasty meal. Your cat will love it. What we like. This cat food is made with real chicken as the first ingredient, ensuring a high-protein meal. It's formulated with a grain-free recipe, perfect for sensitive cats. If you are looking for a protein-packed meal to support your cat's active lifestyle, you should consider this. What people say. Absolutely loves this wet, and he is a very picky senior cat. He loves the quality of ingredients, the taste, the texture, and that it is not too dry, and it is very moist with the added gravy. I use both the wet and dry grain-free Blue Buffalo Wilderness for my twin Furbies and they love it. My cat seems to love this. I've noticed a new pep in his step and more get up and go. His meal missing is resolving into regularity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.